Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Weekly Contest 278, 50 seconds to go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Join me on Discord, especially if you want to, chat with a lot of other smart people who beat me every other week, or maybe every week even. But yeah, just come and chat about the contest. Hopefully, after it's over and not, during, because that's just awkward. Um, yeah, hopefully this week I'm more less sloppy, I suppose, because in last week I was just very sloppy, even though I was able to do the problems quickly. The sloppiness cost me a lot of, ranking or points or whatever it's called. So hopefully this time a little bit better, a little bit slicker, and a little bit smoother. 10 seconds to go. Wish me good luck. Let's go, go, go. And yeah, good luck to you too. 4, 2, 1. Go, go, go. No, loading. No, no, load. Come on. What contest is Amazon running here? How to refresh? This is not loading. Okay, there we go. 30 seconds already. And then now it's not loading. Still. Oh, jeez. And Q1 is always the one that loads. Okay, let's see. People are probably already finished with this problem, but yeah. I had to record one. Okay. This is such a silly problem that I feel a little bit sad that can't believe the like I said, loading was the time thing on that one. So number of zeros and so yeah, math is tough. Okay, so we have this and then A little bit slow on this one. I mean, I know what to do, but it's a little bit awkward. But maybe it's wrong anyway, so... Why? Tell me why. -2. No, possible I did it the other way, that's why, but it should not be -2. The 2 and 0, and then it goes to this number, and then it goes 2. Is it just 1? If it's 0, then this is 0. Okay, whoops, I guess I messed up. Double count it. There's still an issue here. Why? So the best score is 3, which is right. Oh, this is like +1. That's why. Okay. Hopefully no silly mistake, because this already took too long. The judging is a little bit longer for a linear thing, which is kind of weird, so maybe we'll come back to it. Okay, let's come back to it. Okay, it's good. can let it go. Okay, let's see. So you have some hash function. First substring of S. Okay, so then that means that how do I get a prefix? PUC. So it's just this is P0 +1. And then when you shift to the right, that's a really awkward way of doing it, but maybe not. So you start at the end, and then you go 11, you start at the end, then I'll be very sad if wait, did I miss that? Nope. I'll be very sad if n square works, is what I was going to say, but probably not. Wait, what's power? Power is just this number. Let's see. So every time you add a new number, how do I also only get the prefix? People already gotten it though, so I don't. Maybe it's not that bad, but just go from right to. Oh, did I miss something? Is this K as you go to? Oh, wait. Oh, of length K. Okay, so this is just sliding windows. I am dumb. I missed the K part. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Silly Larry. power. Yep. Okay, so that's the ordinary of S of right minus A plus 1. There's also more. Okay. What am I doing again? Okay. Okay, come on now, focus. Let's say, do I want to do it this direction? Yeah, no, that should be right. And then when I go here, did I mess up? Yeah, this is such a weird problem. Okay, first, because this is the lightest one. So this means that this has further iteration. The way I'm doing this kind of right, but the prefix part not so much. That means that okay. Okay, so let's see. Just say no. Power is a weird word. I think that's why I got confused. Power of k to the modulo. Okay, and then if y plus k is less than n, then current we subtract that from power from offset. Best index is equal to none. Oh good, answer always exists. Okay, fine. Best is equal to right. Return s of right plus k. LE is not right. LPX is right though. This is awkward. So this includes this and then minus this, and this should be length k, right? Yeah, it should be right. Oh, this is this, and oh, that shouldn't change this. I don't know why LE is giving me wrong answer. I mean, that's not going to change the answer, but let's see. This is yikes. I probably should finish this audio, but let's see. So we're looking for 0. So this is 1. that's right. This is right too. Wait, why am I going the wrong answer? Oh, I'm dumb, am I? Okay, what a silly mistake. Also, I compared this incorrectly. Wow, a lot of sloppy mistakes, but at least I'm not getting a... Actually, I don't want to jinx it. Okay, let's give it submit. Pending instead of you. Okay, there we go. Okay. A lot of silly mistakes, but we're here. Q4, let's go. So edit distance of 1. One or more non-intersecting groups connected. Okay, so isn't this just union fine in a way, but you have a big thing? Suppose no one got it yet, but I don't know what the answer is, but let's see. So let's see. Length is 26. Oh, no letter occur more than once in... Okay, so that's the big one. I actually missed some of this because this is not... Or maybe it's in there, I don't know. Okay, so that means that we use a bit mask lookup, I suppose. Yeah, okay. That's not so bad. Right? Right. Okay. This is where people would say maybe you should have a template for this, and I'll be like, yeah, okay. I hate you too. Because I think that's the benefit of having a template, is that I can focus on the problem instead of focusing on getting this right, which is very easy to get wrong by accident. Okay. So now, oops. Let's see. I should do the same thing I did earlier. What's my heater thing? It's very cold here, so I have a heater thing, but it gotta shut off a little bit. I don't know if you could hear it. Okay. So then now we try all possibilities. Yeah, okay. Okay, sim.add_mask. And now we try, okay, adding one, right? For I6. If let's see. if this is equal to 0, then we can do this, or we can add one. Was it again replacing one letter with any other letter? So okay, that's fine too. That's I don't know about the complexity though. That's like 26 square. Don't know. Yeah, maybe 13 square. So 169 times this number. I don't know if it's gonna be too slow, to be honest, but only one way to find out. Okay, so if it's not in, I mean, if it's in there, take it out, or if it's not in there, put it in. If it's in there, take it out. And then if and mask and scene, then we union mask and mask. I think that should be okay. Yeah, okay. And then also I don't want to keep track of these numbers. No, I guess they're all in scene, so it's fine. Okay. And then now we want to say proof. This last one is annoying, but it's also fine maybe. One letter from the set of the letters, one including itself. So they could be connected if they have identical words. Can this, is this routed input? I guess I could sit and wait, but okay. The replacing one is a tricky one. Oh, whoops. Doesn't matter, right? But, okay, because if they not have to be unique, then they have to be connected, and then the size gets different. I think that's the annoying one. Okay, that means that. Okay, that means that this has to be a dictionary, I guess. Okay, and then now we have to do a replace. That's fine, we already assumed that they're in the same group, so we don't have to do anything funky, but we should do the replace. This is so annoying. Okay, so negative indexes. Is that how that works? Okay, they're not in there then. Okay. Mask, you want to take off this, and then you want to put on this. Like I said, I don't know if this is fast enough. I mean, this should be fast enough if I didn't do it in Python, but in Python, I guess I never know. Okay, so then now this is good. And now we can do for, okay, for keys. G is G define of key. C not key. Okay. And then just return G dot the link of G and also the biggest one, right? So okay. Can't type today. Right. Okay, so that looks right. Whether this is fast enough, we'll see. How did people do? Are people done? Yeah, people should be done, right? I don't think Q4 is impossible. But it might, I don't know if this times out. Oh, did I mess up the... maybe I messed it up. Well, this is just a silly thing, but why it should be... Oh, typo, no, Larry, no. No. Oh no, that is a silly mistake. I mean, wait, this is still wrong, so fix it, Larry. Okay, so oh no, so and I put in the wrong place anyway. But oh no, I test this, but then I forgot that I didn't test the replacement one. Okay, that was that. Oh no. How many people have solved this so far? This looks a little bit weird. Because we saw a lot more people solved, right? Maybe they took away the Chinese servers in this update ranking for now. Okay, time limit exceeded. That makes sense. I don't know how to do the exchange one though. I feel like the other stuff should be fast enough, but this one, I'm not sure. 13 square. Should I have done this in not Python? Do I give up on Python or do I try to optimize my Python? I don't know. Yeah, let's do it in C++. Was it 2 times what, 13 times 13? That's only 3.3 million. Should be fast enough. I think it's a Python thing. That makes me sad then. Okay, so then now, and this is also where having a union file library would be super helpful, but celery. This is so sad. I don't know if this is fast enough even, to be honest, but it's not slower. I know that. That actually was very quick to yeah, I don't know. I guess it's just this, right? So maybe I don't need it. I am wondering if I'm missing something really obvious though, to be honest. But I just want to make sure that this compiles really quick. This might not compile though, but that's fine. Okay. Okay, so that actually works. Okay, well, compiles. I knew that. I mean, I was worried that it wasn't going to be fast enough, and turns out I was right. And I had a typo. That's, well, not typo. Just a bug, which is actually pretty sad. That's right. Let's see if that works. Just for now, make sure that compiles. So now we did all this. Oh yeah, I mean, there's some minor optimizations we can do here with only using, but I feel like that's a very tail end optimization. So I don't know. Did I do that wrong? Maybe. No, I think it should be right. I don't think this is. I don't think this is should matter. Unless I have a typo. And if this is too slow, I don't know how to do it. Maybe. No compile errors. That's good. One again for compile. At least it's right. It's just time limit exceeded. So it is what it is. how to iterate a map. At least for each. Okay. I always forget this actually. Well, I haven't done C++ enough. Oh, nope, the other one scene. I guess that's really it, right? Yep, you're right. I didn't cast this to int. Okay, that looks okay. Let's see if that's fast enough. I don't know. A lot of people got this. I mean, I'm not surprised. Well, like 24. I guess that's not. I mean, more people probably didn't update yet. If this time's out, I don't know what to do. Okay, I don't know what to do. Let's see if this is just this case or. I mean, that's the trouble, right? I hope I click on one code not submit because I think it's just this part. If not, then I don't know. Okay, now my computer's a little bit slow. How do I do the swap one then, if not this? Replace exactly one letter with another letter. I think I have a way of doing it, but this is so slow. But I don't know how to do it quite in a good way. I think it's because I'm sending a lot of stuff on this test case. I mean, this is fast enough. It's just the sum of execution time things again, which is actually kind of sad. Because there's so many groups. I feel like I have a way to do it, but six minus one. Okay, fine. How many people got it so far? Yeah, okay. Am I going to try in Python again? Maybe I can. Let's see. I'm curious whether this even runs. But it actually runs out of time in a hidden case instead of a given case, so that's a little bit sad. Actually, that took a while too. Let's say if I remove this, would that be fast enough? So I was at 1.4 seconds. And that took 1 second, so we can definitely do some, so that could be a thing. So let's say we do this instead. This obviously doesn't have to write code, but I think this is just this actually. But I wanted to see whether if I optimized it to this, it would be fast enough. But okay, so then now, what is the right answer here? I just want to put it into a place so that I can use it later. Okay, let's just put it here. I don't know. Okay. Okay, Okay, so we could get rid of this by having a is equal to okay, I don't care about this. Okay, so if this is this, then I can do, so this is the removal. If and mask in one of, then union mask one of and mask else one of and mask is equal to mask. Okay, see if that works. I was wrong about the C++ thing though. N indices with N indices. Okay. Bye bye, Felicia. Okay, so this is much faster and it is still the right answer. So let's give it a submit. Hopefully it is good enough. I'm not quite sure. I mean, I don't know how to do it if this isn't fast enough, to be honest. Please, okay. That's not that bad. I mean, that's a good optimization actually. But yeah, that's gonna cost me a lot of time. I don't know. It took me a long time to, I mean, there's so much penalty on this because of the Python uncertainty, right? Like I paid the Python tax here because I probably could have gotten this optimization, but I wasn't sure that, like, I just did in C++, but like I spent, I don't know how long time, let's see. Because I end up spending 10 minutes in C++ plus a penalty. So that's about 15 minutes of this time. So that means that if you minus 15, then it's like what, 41? 41 would have been, I don't know, maybe top 50. Right? But now I had to, I wasn't sure that C++ wasn't good enough, and I had to do I have to do the optimization in Python, which is not that bad. But I mean, it took me some time to think about it, and I thought about it while I was doing the C++ one. Probably didn't take me 5 minutes, but I think I was maybe talking about it a little bit and expositioning it a little bit. But I don't know. I mean, I think that's the issue with this one for me anyway, is that I did pay the Python tax of uncertain it'll be fast enough. I actually could have also done it in C++, but at that point, maybe there's additional uncertainty, but yeah, what was Q3 again? People in my Discord is talking about Q3. I don't remember it. Oh, this one. I mean, this is just whatchamacallit, Robin Cobb. There's nothing tricky per se. Not to say that it's easy. If you haven't done it, you haven't done it. I don't know if you could do it if you haven't done it, but if you've done it, maybe it's okay. If I could have done it in 41 minutes, I mean, at 41 minutes, it seems like, actually, yeah, if I had just done it in well, minus 15 minutes, yeah, then I would have definitely been in the top 25, because I think the time just passed there. So I paid the Python tax here. If it wasn't for Python, or if I was very confident that having I mean, it is what, 13 times faster or something like that. But if I was convinced that 13 times like if someone told me that 13 times faster was good enough for me to pass that or something like that, I mean, obviously it's hard to say that, but if I knew that was the case, then I would have just kept doing it in Python. But because I didn't, I tried in C++, it still didn't work, and you know, a little bit yucky, but I did solve it, so yeah, kind of happy about it. Yeah, I think one good thing about this Q3 is that it will teach people how to do Robin Cobb. That seems like for Q3, many people didn't get it on the accepted, at least right now, which is actually kind of rare for Q3 lately. So I don't know. Did it update? I did update. I did not make it to the top 50, but and probably keep tanking for a little bit, but not that bad. I'm going to tank for a little bit more. It also seems like 41 minutes would not have been top 25. I was wrong. I guess it just didn't include the Chinese server or something like that. I don't know. I don't remember what I saw, but still top 50 would have been nice. Yeah, and I have a lot of wrong answers, but it seems like I'm in a good company because a lot of good smart people have wrong answers. Actually, I don't know if Ennis Chang has wrong answers, but you know they're struggling a little bit as well. So I'm in good company. I'm not gonna lie, I'm looking a little bit for Josh. Hey Josh, I don't know if you're watching this. If you're watching this, Josh, leave it in the comments below. If you're not Josh and you're watching this, say hi to Josh in the comments below. But I forgot that he has a new name. So actually I didn't, because his old name numbers is his old name is just easier to check. Also check out his YouTube channel if you are into that. But Shao Wood, oh yeah, a lot of smart people. Good for Saint BMK though. No wrong answer. Queen solution. But I actually like the trick in Q4 to be honest, but I just didn't know that was good enough. If like the constraints are win in a way such that it's good enough, I would have gotten it maybe slightly quicker, and also just not have so many wrong answers. But yeah. Okay. I mean, I'm not gonna. This is 56. So I have to wait another 10 minutes. I'm not gonna wait another 10 minutes. Good job, Louis. But yeah, that's all I have for this contest. Hope you liked it. Hope you did well. Stay good. Stay healthy. To good mental health. I'll see you later. And yeah, bye bye.